up, YouTube? Listen, family, another major market bubble just burst. We got to talk all about it. But before we do that, guys, do me a favor. Please make sure you subscribe. Let me know if you made money today because you already know Monday sets the tone, okay? Do me a favor. Make sure you help your video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, check this out, guys. U.S. luxury spending is down 11%. This is a major ordeal for a variety of reasons, okay? And I want to make sure that I point this out. Credit card data from Citi Research suggests a steep decline in spending for luxury leather goods and ready-to-wear, while watches saw unexpected growth. Now, check this out. Oftentimes, you can gauge what's going on in the economy around the world by looking at luxury spending because they are supposed to be the people with disposable income. Now, you already have 27% of middle class and poor people also contributing and buying luxury goods, even though they ain't got it. But now what they're saying is you have people with money and they are on a decline as well in terms of luxury spending. All right, now check this out. The U.S. economy seems to be deteriorating at a faster pace than previously expected. For lower income consumers in particular, excess savings has eroded with inflation. For the past couple years, we have seen luxury demand weakness in entry-level categories, usually targeting aspirational consumers, with sharp multi-year price increases posing a risk to volume growth. Guys, listen. With deterioration happening faster and faster, people spending. Matter of fact, let me know down in the comments below. How many of you have cut into your savings? How many of you have had to lean and rely more on your credit card due to just things being so high, cost of living being so high, having little less dollars to work with and having to use other means to get by, make ends meet? Let me know down in the comments below, guys, if that in any way has impacted you, okay? I'm telling you that this is a major market bubble that is just burst because, guys, two things you need to know. Main Street is not Wall Street. So those of you that live everyday lives, you might have now that you've been in the market, have noticed the stuff that we do in our everyday lives is polar opposite to the things that Wall Street has going on. Okay, so for example, the whole world can look like it's going good on Wall Street because the market might be going up. Meanwhile, cost of gas at the pump is high, food is high, groceries is high, rent is high. Okay, and so it's a whole dichotomy of two different, what they say, a tale of two cities almost. So just think about that. Wall Street and Main Street are not the same, okay? There'll be times when Main Street is good and Wall Street is in a recession. And in a bear market, stocks are be down, you know what I'm saying? But the world will be going good. And it just flips and it goes like that, guys. So again, pay attention to these small things because it leads me into what I want to talk to you guys about next. Check this out. The SPY. It was pretty much flat today, but you had action today. They just try to make the day end flat. The SPY, the ticker symbol on the S&P 500 is the SPY, sitting at 533.53. It was 0.5 today, and it's up 0.5 in after hours. That's what we call a flat day, okay? But look at the line graph on this. Look at this line chart. You've seen it go down, and you've seen it go up. Then you've seen it taper off and stay on long across this line, okay? Meaning we had a flat day. All right, so you got a little bit of action if you were in it, but this is the volatility I'm talking about. Up and down, up and down. No matter which way you chose to play it, matter of fact, let me know which way you chose to play it. There were opportunities to make money, okay? My whole aim for you guys is to ensure that you're on the right side of the trade. Number two, check this one out. NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. This one was currently sitting at 108.92. This one was up $4.37 on a day, or roughly 4%. This one took off like a rocket, okay? got as high as 110, 111, stood tall for a long time before coming down from that 110, 111 area down to 108 and closing near 109. Okay, but again, opportunities to make money no matter which direction you play. I want to shout out the money team. Okay, this was a play that kicked our week off. We in both directions. So whether you made money and puts in this or whether you made money with calls, I want to say major salute. Okay, I just want to teach you guys how to be in position and how to really consistently make money on your journey. Okay, guys, we got CPI and we got PPI tomorrow, CPI on Wednesday. So again, keep your head on a swivel. Don't get your feet caught in the sand and stuck in cement, okay? Because these plays are either going to break out or they're going to break down. But regardless, I want you to react, okay? And then check this one out, guys. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. I wanted to throw one in here that didn't go up or do as hot as the other ones did. This one is sitting at 197.70. This one was down a little over 1%, around $2.50. But notice this, guys. They're struggling at that $200 resistance level. They're struggling at the $200 resistance level. This is why I teach you guys about hurdles. You can't get to 202.50. That's our next target if you can't get past 200. So 200 is a hurdle. We need to be able to get past 200 to get to 202.50. If we get to 202.50, we then have to hurdle that one, and then that has to actually close above 202.50, and that's what opened the door for 205. However, we done tripped over the dang on hurdle. Y'all watched the Olympics this year, okay? Y'all watched the 4x1 hurdles. Y'all watched the 4x4. We done tripped over the dang on hurdles. We done got to 200 and fell over, and we done had to go back and start at the 190s again. Okay, and so my point in teaching and telling you these things is, guys, it's one thing to have a price target, but the work still has to be done in order to get there. You have to clear the hurdles. Here's an example. Everybody write this down. Class is in session. This is some free game. This is $1 million worth of game, matter of fact. Shout out to Gillian Wallow. Guys, clearing a hurdle also means that the candle has to close at that price. You can't touch it and come down. You can't touch it and get rejected. You can't touch it and then have a big wick coming out the candle. A full body candle needs to close at that price. So we need to close the day. Like you guys see this right here, 197.70. The price at the end of the day needs to be 202.50, 202.54, 202.58. You guys get what I'm saying? We have to clear the hurdle. It's not one thing to touch it. It's not one thing to test it. You have to clear and close it in order for it to count. Okay, so that's what we mean, guys, when we say you have to wait for confirmation. Now, I'm telling you end of day confirmation. Sometimes if you want intraday confirmation, you can look at the 15-minute time frame. If you see a 15-minute candle, if you can get two 15-minute candle closes, for example, that is a positive sign. Whether it's going up or down, it don't matter. But if you trying to make a play and you see two candle closes on a 15-minute time frame, that's more significant than one candle closing on the 1 minute time frame. So these are the little nuances and nuggets you got to add to the arsenal on your game. Okay, Tesla going to continue to be in this range. It went to 194. This is a double bottom it made, but it's going to continue to be in this range until it got to break 200. Write these levels down. 200, target 1. Target number 2, 202.50. Not 202.37, not 202.41, 202.50, and that opens the door for 205. If we can't do those three, guess what? 205 is off the table, and I want you guys to have a trade plan for the downside. Okay, that's how this works. Don't fight it. Don't force it. Go with the grain, okay? Listen, guys, I just want to pop at you all today. We got the week started off with a bang, especially, guys, if you were in the Discord and or on the money team. Matter of fact, speaking of the Discord, be in there first thing in the morning. We have PPI coming out at 8:30, so if they're going to inject some volatility, we'll be able to see right out the gate at 8:30, so that we'll know and have a game plan come 9:30, because we'll see, we can react, okay? But guess what? They're holding their cards close to the chest, because they're going to hit us again on Wednesday with CPI. And if whatever move they don't get out of PPI, they'll try to get it out of CPI on Wednesday. So again, we got two major catalysts on the horizon coming up as early as tomorrow, and then again on Wednesday. So be ready. Volatility is where we make the money at, okay? Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, but if you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks. Use my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.